Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the biggest triggers. This matters because environment drives habit. Turn off autoplay and mute or unfollow your top 10-20 attention-grabbing accounts now, then set one 15-30-minute neutral browsing block per day. Once done, make sure to use your phone's focus mode or a timer so grazing stops automatically. This first push creates friction against the real loop, so your intention, not habit, controls what you watch next. Once initial barriers exist, you move into habit replacement. That's where lasting change happens. Swap each reel session with a specific alternative, one article, a 10-20-minute podcast, or 15 minutes of a hands-on hobby. Make the phone harder to open by enabling app limits, clearing cache, or temporarily uninstalling the app for 3-7 days to interrupt the cycle. Also build a simple daily routine, morning check, one midday review, and an evening no screen. To finish, you lock in progress by gradually tightening limits. Aim for a 10-20% reduction in social media time each week, so change isn't overwhelming. If you slip, identify the trigger. Was it boredom, a notification, or specific accounts? Once identified, take a targeted fix, reapply app blocks, change passcodes, or ask a friend for accountability. Make sure to celebrate small wins, they reinforce new behavior. This keeps you in control, rather than reels controlling your attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.